What's going on, everybody? It's Tactic-Cannon, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install mods for Ready or Not. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to ronmods.com up in your browser, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now, for anybody that just wants to go directly to the website, you're going to want to click on how to install mods. It's going to give you your tutorials, tell you how to activate it, everything like that. So the mods that I have right now, I just have one map, a texture mod, and a couple model mods. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to want to go into your folders, go to Steam Apps, Common, Ready or Not, and then inside Ready or Not's folder, you're going to click on Ready or Not again, go to Content folder, and then go to Packs. So mostly for your models and texture mods, they're going to be pack files. I haven't done any reshades or scripts yet, but there is an install reshade tutorial link for YouTube here if you guys want to go check that out. I think the game looks perfectly fine as it is right now. But yeah, anyways, so let me show you guys how to install one really quick. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to find the mod that you want, and I'll pick the GIGN Blue version mod. I'm going to go down, going to click download mod right below it. So once you do that, it's going to either take you to modsfile.com or it's going to open up a Google Drive download or some other type of download. So if it's a Google Drive download or any other download, it usually will already have the file unpacked. So all you have to do is drag it into your Ready or Not folder and it will install by itself. If it does take you to modsfile.com like it did for this one, you're going to want to scroll down to where it says free download right next to where it says step 1. So go ahead, click free download. It's going to take you to the same page, basically reload it. You're going to want to go down to the bottom where it says how to download and then your pack file. You're going to click download file. So what I have here is I already have a second folder that I keep all of my mods in, and I will get to that a little bit later. But for these mods that are unpacked, you're either going to want to download your WinRAR program or a zip program to unpack the file. So what we're going to do here is we're going to save this, and we're going to go into our folder. We're going to go to wherever you have your Steam apps. Click Steam Apps, click Common, and for me, I have my own Ready or Not mods folder separate. So I'm going to click on that, and you're going to want to find the mod that you have downloaded. So if it is WinRAR, to open it, you're just going to right click. You're going to go to open with WinRAR. It's going to pull it up, and here is your pack file. Don't buy this, you don't need it. It's going to open up your pack file. So what you want to do is just drag it back into your folder, and here is your unpacked .pack file. If you get a mod and it doesn't say .pack at the end, it's not going to work. So what you want to do from there is you're going to want to either copy or drag it to your actual Ready or Not folder. You're going to click on Ready or Not. It's going to open up. You're going to click on the second Ready or Not folder, go inside of that, go to Content, and then go to your Packs folder. So initially when you open this up, it's going to have only 2 in here, and all of your mods need to go below that. It should automatically do it. Just make sure that there's none going up top. You need to keep it in a decent order. Now, I'm going to show you guys something. So here I'm going to paste this mod in. So here you go. You can see gignb.pack file is in there. So little disclaimer before you guys go and do all of this. You cannot mix mods, and what I mean by that is if you have multiple uniform mods in your file and then you go and launch the game, it's not like the game gives you options to select which uniform based on the mod. So once you have the mod in there, it's going to overwrite the original uniform selection from either the SWAT uniform or, if you guys have Supporter Edition, the HRT uniform. So if you have multiple uniform texture mods, it's going to override it, whether that means you have a green uniform with like a, for instance, GIGN plate carrier, and sometimes they don't mix very well and they just look kind of weird and the textures will kind of be all messed up and you'll have, it's just not going to look good. So what I recommend, like I said earlier, is make a secondary folder to keep all of your mods, because when you want to switch uniforms, you're going to have to take the one that you have in your Ready or Not folder, you're gonna have to remove it, drag it to your secondary folder, go into your secondary folder, and then you're gonna want to pull out that new one and pop it in here. So I'll pull up some footage to show you guys what that looks like. So initially, when you open up on your main screen of the game, whichever main uniform mod you have selected will pop up, or it should at least. If you don't see any changes, then you probably didn't install the mod correctly. But here we go, we're gonna go into single player. So once you are in the lobby, what I mean by you cannot stack mods and you cannot select the mods once they are installed is that once your uniform is selected, it's not going to change. You still have all the original options here, SWAT, HRT, if you have the supporter edition, all your characters, it's not going to change. So it's fully reliant on which mod you have installed. So some changes are going to be in the gear item. Also, most mods do reflect whether you have light armor or heavy armor. It's going to work. But see what I mean here? So the GIGN one's not very big. It's not that big of a difference. But you can see some textures kind of mixing up here on the sleeve in the corner, and the heavy armor is kind of clipping through. That's mostly going to happen when you try to stack the mods. Also, for instance, the GP and VGs that I have on my character right now, there is a black model and the tan model. If you have the black model and the tan model in at the same time, I think it's just going to revert to whichever one's on top of itself in the file folder. So it's a little tedious that you have to go in and remove them every now and then, but once you guys get your preferred mod, I'm sure you guys won't have an issue with it. There are also some mods for weapons. The ones I have right now is the tan SR16. It's kind of glossy, kind of looks more like a bronze. And then I have the combat grip turned to black. So, but yeah guys, that's my rundown of how to install mods and what they're gonna look like in Ready or Not. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you guys out, let me know down in the comments below. If you want to see more modded gameplay and modded content, let me know as well. Keep tabs on the website if you want new mods that are going to be coming out, and also there is a section on the website's front page on how to create mods. So for you modders out there that want to go ahead and try to make mods for Ready or Not, you can definitely do so. And if any of you guys viewing are modders and create some cool mods for Ready or Not, let me know and I will try it out and make a video on it. But as always, I appreciate you guys for the support. I hope this helped you guys out and I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you guys on the next Ready or Not video.